My name is Warda Sayed, and this is the third exercise of geocoding, which is finding an address. So we will learn how to find an address in this exercise. Let me share my screen. So this is the reference file which contain some steps of finding an address. Finding addresses. So these are some steps of finding addresses of geocoding, which I am going to perform one by one. Let me fix this first. So according to this exercise, first I have to open my reference data file, and then I will perform step by step how to open how to find addresses. So let me open my file first. It might take some time. So I'm going to open this geocoding MX, which I have already opened. So here is the data which is required to perform this exercise. So in catalog window, I have to write down this Atlanta.gdb file and then select this street. And then I need geocoding toolbar. If the toolbar is displayed over here, then it is okay. If it is not, then I need to check this toolbar. For this purpose, left on this customized window and then toolbar. Now, where is the geocoding toolbar? It is already selected. If it is not, then I'll have to pick this geocoding. So, in an Atlanta file, I need to select the street and then geocoding toolbar. In geocoding toolbar, I need to drag down this ArcGIS for geocoding and then manage address locators. Then click the add option, and then I have to navigate towards composite address locator and then add close. Now I have to type some addresses to find them in this folder. So first one is 150B, and then AVE Northeast, Now I am going to save these changes. Okay. My name is Warda Sayed and I have performed the exercise 3 of geocoding, which is called finding addresses. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.